Welcome to Consult Station, a revolutionary telehealth solution. Find usage experience links below. Consult Station brings high-quality healthcare to underserved areas and locations where in-person visits are difficult. Unlike traditional telehealth platforms, Consult Station combines virtual care with an on-site kiosk equipped with advanced medical devices. It's ideal for workplaces, rural communities, and urban settings needing accessible, efficient healthcare. The fully equipped kiosk includes diagnostic tools like blood pressure monitors, thermometers, otoscopes, and even ECG machines. Patients can have vitals measured and shared with a healthcare provider in real time during a virtual consultation. Consult Station bridges the gap between virtual and physical care. Its soundproof design and user-friendly interface accommodate patients of all ages and tech abilities. Consult Station provides more than a basic video call. It's useful for employers offering healthcare to their workforce and governments' healthcare organizations serving remote or underserved communities. The system supports various needs, general checkups, chronic disease management, and urgent care situations not requiring hospitalization. Seamless EHR integration ensures care continuity, allowing providers easy access to patient histories. Consult Station combines accurate, hands-on diagnostics with telehealth convenience. It reduces wait times and eliminates long-distance travel for routine care. Whether you're an organization exploring innovative healthcare solutions or an individual seeking convenient, reliable medical services, Consult Station is an excellent choice. Learn more and find access information in the links below.